Hi, I'm Christian and welcome to another free tutorial brought to you by premierpiano.shop. Best online course for piano on earth, especially for beginners, premierpiano.shop. Check out my site. So today we are learning Giveon's Heartbreak Anniversary. Awesome song, beautiful. To me, he's like the Black Sam Smith. Amazing, absolutely love him as well as Sam, and I can't wait to teach this to you guys. So, before we begin, you know what to do. YouTube, hit subscribe, like this wherever you're watching it on social media, share it with someone who should be learning piano, and drop me a comment. Tell me what you thought, or tell me what you want to learn next, okay? So, let's get straight into it. By the way, free gift at the end of this lesson is your free tutorial, your little cheat sheet. Screenshot, one page, everything you need to know, summarized for you. Free from me to you, just check out the link, should be in the description. It's at the end of the video as well, but just in case guys, please download that. It's a free gift from me to you. No strings attached. I love what I do and I do what I love. So let's get into it, okay? This awesome song only requires 4 chords. Actually only 3. But the 4th one's a jazzy chord that it's thrown in and it's beautiful, okay? The answers are C over E, gorgeous chord, okay? Then we've got an E major chord. Then we've got an F, and then a F major 7th. I'm gonna put that over an E, okay? So C major, E major, F major 7th over E. But you can get away by just playing C major, E major, F, you're done. So quick, okay? First chord, C major, over an E position, right here, okay? Next, getting carried away. Your E major chord, did you see that switch? Okay, I went from E, G, C to boom, E, G sharp, B. Bang, bang. Start with one hand only, slowly, okay? Practicing going from one chord to the other. And once you get better, chuck in that left hand, bass line, okay? Which is just going C to E, okay? So, balloons are deflated. I guess that's the beginning part. So C, balloons are deflated. Switch, E. Guess that reminds, okay? Then from then we switch to the F, boom. Now did you see that switch? From here to here. Watch, I was here, okay? My F was right next door, so I go up one, up one, up one, boom. There's my F major chord. Simple as that, okay? I stay there. And then my final chord is just a passing chord. I only played once before going back to the beginning. It's the same F chord, but with an E bass. You don't have to change your left hand. Just go one finger, which is actually setting you up for the next chord, the C. So F major 7th, and then boom, back to C. So watch that transition. F, thumb moves down, everything moves here, but that one doesn't. Boom. So easy to do. F over E, one finger change, boom, we're back to the C. Again, I will do that with one hand at first, and then try throwing in the left hand, okay? Going from an F, boom, boom, back to C. F major, C, okay? Now, you do all of that twice for the verse. So, 2, 3, 4, and E. 2, 3, 4, and there's the F. 3, 4. Now, if you download the cheat sheet, you see 3 slashes. That means you hold the F again for 1, 2, 3, and then you drop that passing F chord for 1 only, and boom to C. Okay? Technically speaking, the timing is an and. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then it goes down. But we're not being so pedantic, okay? Just play that for 1, 2, 3, passing chord, back to C. Okay? Listen to the recording, download the cheat sheet, it'll make sense. And rewind this video. You're not on the clock, I am. Let's get moving on. Do that twice, boom, pre-chorus. Now the pre-chorus is where he is singing the just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever, blah, 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 okay? So, starting on C again, boom, it's the same progression. Going to an E, exactly the same, we've done this. Then goes to an F, but then instead of going back to the F again, we go to an E major. Okay, we stay there. And that's under the lyrics of Say That You Love Me. Okay, so just like the day, hold it there, going to an E, then we go to Now it's time for the pre-chorus. So let's get into it. Now it's time for the pre-chorus, okay? So pre-chorus is where the lyrics go, just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever, say that you love me, okay? So C, that I met you, okay? Going to an E, as we've done. Then we go to an F major, just like we've done before. But now, instead of doing that passing chord thing, we go to an E, go back to an E. And then that takes us from there to the F back to C. So if I was to slow that down again, we go C, okay? E, following with me? F as usual, but now back to the E. 1, 2, 3. That F major passing that I told you about before, which brings us back to the C. Now, for any reason that's confusing, you don't want to do it, you can just hang there on the E. Okay, so you play C, F, E twice, and just go straight back to your C. Okay, it's only if you want to play along with the recording and do it exactly right. That's what you do. Then magic, back to the chorus. The chorus is the same as the verse, so C major again, to the E, to the F, hold the F for 3, passing chord, boom, back to C. Do that twice. C, E, F, F, passing C, E, F, F, passing C. I would practice that over and over, slowly, 5, 10, 20 times, guys, as long as you need, okay? Then we get to the interlude, and guess what? It's the same thing. C, E, F, hold for 3, F, passing back. So really, guys, if you can learn the verse, okay, and then you can learn the pre-chorus, you know the entire song. All right, have a listen to the recording a few times. Start with only your right hand, then throw the left alone, and then put them together. Level it up, okay? Go slow, rewind it, and don't forget the cheat sheet. It's free. It summarizes everything in one image or one PDF, okay? Download it now, please. My free gift to you. Watch it with the video. I'd even print it out or put it on your phone. Boom, you're good to go. And that's it. You'll know this in under a few minutes, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name was Christian. Please like, subscribe, share, drop a comment, download the cheat sheet, and I can't wait to see you in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Brought to you by, once again, premierpiano.shop.